In this video, date and time filters. How you can control when the expert advisor is allowed to trade. What are date and time filters? Date and time filters are settings inside GridX that allow you to restrict trading to specific sessions, hours, days, or periods. This type of filter helps avoid risky conditions such as weekend gaps, news events, or low liquidity periods. It can help also, in a way, to schedule when the EA should start trading, stop, or both. Let's look at session filters. Here you can define a start date and end date. GridX will only trade within that time window. For example, you may want to limit activity to a specific month or testing phase. Next is the operating hours filter. Here you choose a start hour and end hour. This lets you allow trades only during the busiest trading sessions. For example, you could enable trades from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. to capture London session volatility. An important point is that both session filter and operating hours filter only apply to new baskets of orders. Meaning, if a basket of orders is already in progress, the expert advisor will continue to operate that basket until it is closed. A practical example with backtest. Perhaps we don't want to trade over the end of year period. In this case, you may want to wind down all baskets and set a session end around the 15th of December. So hopefully all baskets are closed before Christmas. For the purpose of the backtest, we will set the session to start a month before. Similarly, you set start time to 8 a.m. and end time to 5 p.m. GridX will not open new baskets outside this period. The session start and end are also shown on chart as vertical lines. You can see how the EA will only open new baskets within the session and the operating hours. To sum up, date and time filters give you precise control over when GridX is active. They are simple to configure and can improve both performance and risk management.